siyempre sa showbiz, yung iba, marami nagsasabi na may mga plastic, may mga hindi totoo. Kayo, may mga nakamaskara pa rin kayong mga nakakasalamuhan. O paano nyo tinitake yung mga gano'n na...
Sino na lang yung gustong sumagot? Not for everyone na lang.
sige.
who would
Isa
like-
na lang June kasi limited yung time.
Yeah, so ako na lang sasagot kasi una-unahan lang yan eh. So ako na maunang game plastic.
Talaga? Uy, baka maniwala sila. Oo.
No.
Pero ayan.
No. We have this certain, I'll speak for the rest of the gang because this is an uncomfortable question. If you're plastic in front of us, you're not gonna get anything. Because what we'll give you is the truth. And we are very sensitive to people who are not real.
Yeah.
That's our job, to pretend, okay? So you might as well just be friends with us, make friends with us, be real with us. Because that's what counts. In showbiz, authenticity is what counts. That's the currency.
Very well said. Ang galing. Pero gusto ko lang pasingin.
Last na June ko.
Si Inay Maria.
Oh, yeah.
Gusto kong for sure, alam mo naman sagot niya, di ba? Inay, yung mga nakamaskara, ano mga masasabi mo doon? Kasi ikaw, very di ba? Totoong-totoo.
Nakakasama ng loob pag alam mo na patuloy kanyang kinakausap, nakaplastic ka naman lahat, di ba? Parang gusto mo siyang tadyakan. Gusto ko.
Pero wala ka pa naman natadyakan.
Walang gano'n lang nangyari.
Ayun na, sandali.
Relax lang ako. Pero hindi, pagka ganun kasi, ang hirap, kahit siguro kayo ang nasa sitwasyon na ito, pinupuri kayo ng pinupuri, pero hindi naman pala siya totoo. Na pagdating sa ibang tao, kung ano-ano sinasabi against you and all of that. Shit.
Ay.
All of that.
Statement.
Sensyo na po kayo kasi action talaga itong show namin.
Kasi dapat ganun, di ba? Dapat pag nakikipagkapwa-tao ka sa tao. Hindi ba? Pero kung pinaplastic ka, sana umalis na sa harap mo para mag-init ang ulo. Bakit matadyakan kasi?
Ang bongga. Pero ngayon pa lang, congratulations kasi ang bongga talaga ng Lavender Pills. Yan. Thank you, MJ.
Thank you,
EJ.
June.
Thank you.
MJ!
Yes.
Thank you, June.
Katabi ko na rin lang naman sila kasi even before the great Teo and Junal left us, aware na silang they are doing the project. already.
Nasabi na sa kanila.
So,
Okay.
may pressure, let's start with Direk Jojo, may pressure doing a legacy project ng a great TV and movie person like Sir Deo.
Wala namang pressure, but you have to do your best
Kasi
to come
andyan
out
siya.
with a big project. So kailangan mong pagbutihin. Tapos nung nawala, bilang pet project niya nga yan, parang we offer him this project sa kanya.
Mhm.
So alam naman natin na parang happy siya sa nang-come sa resulta ng Lavender Fields. So Sir Deo, we offered this show to you.
Another favorite director, in-house director namin sa Dreamscape, Direk Manny. Ikaw hands-on ka, kayo ni Sir Deo, nag-uusap kayo exactly how you wanted things done.
Yes, of course I miss his yung guidance niya and his criticism and his comments. Yun ang nakakakaba minsan, especially when you're doing a pilot for a new show, no? Pero at the same time, we are always challenged to come up with something better, not necessarily bigger but better every time every time we direct a project. As I said kanina, di ba, ang pinagsimulan niyan yung kanyang hilig sa flower arrangement, sa tablescapes, at saka yung yun, di ba Joel, yung may nakalagay doon sa bar niya, who are you when no one's watching, no? Di ba? Anong suot mong maskara kapag walang nakatingin sa'yo? Yun ang pinagbulan ng gist ng kwento at yun isa sa mga naging premise ng narrative, no? And as Direk Jojo has said, we dedicate this project to him. Of course, we miss him dearly as a boss and as a friend. And I hope through this project, we honor his inspired leadership and his genius as a creator.
Thank you, Direk Manny. Biggs, Ikaw na, Bix, ang nakalagay dito.
Before si Bix, I'd like to
Plus.
acknowledge syempre Mother Biboy Arboleda. who's-
Mother Bibs is here?
Yeah!
Splack attack!
As early as 9 a.m. andito na siya. And of course, our bosses.
Splack attack, Mother
Kylie
Bibs.
Manalo Balagtas and Rondel and Pilindayag. Alright?
Hello, Bix! Ikaw
Ito.
na!
Bixie.
Hello, congratulations.
Where are you?
Here in
Front.
Okay.
Hi, Vix!
Hi, Echo. Hi, Popcorn.
Ay, lambot.
So, ang tanong ko ay para kay, kay Mr. Pogi ng Marikina. Charot lang. So,
Wala naman luluma pa sa reference mo na yun.
hindi naman ako sa Google now. Just now. Pero for Echo, what for you is the best form of revenge?
Oh my God. Parang kay Jody dapat yung tanong na yun ah. But hey, Popcorn. Nice to see you. Gosh. I'm stumped.
Bakit nga kay Echo mo natanong, Bixie?
Mas,
Basta lang.
But, yeah, sure. I'd like to pass this microphone to to the two girls later. Pero I'm very far from my character talaga. I don't like revenge. I don't take revenge. But siguro kung magre-revenge talaga ako, siguro ngunguyain ko yung tao. Ganun. Tapos magiging dinosaur ako. Bakit ko siya? I'm just kidding. But I guess the best form of revenge is to not give power to this pain or whatever was negative was inflicted towards you. Don't give it life, give it power, and just use it to become a better person. Or you can be the dinosaur and squeeze it on it and bite it. But I just please. Can Jody answer the question?
yes, please. Kay
Kasi
Jody.
ikaw yung may revenge eh. Tanong natin kay Tita Maria ulit, maninipa na naman si Tita Maria.
Pag si mama, naku lang. No, I think the best form of revenge, I think just to parang sa akin, just to stay silent when somebody expects you to be enraged. Diba? Huwag mong ibibigay yung gusto nila. Huwag kang lumevel sa kung nasaan sila. Always choose the higher road. Always choose to be the bigger person. Yeah.
What about you? What about you, Iris? Hindi, kinuha na natin. In-intercept na natin si Popcorn.
Kasama ka ba sa press?
Oo, dito pala ako. Ano masasabi niyo?
Ako, pareho lang kay Ate Jody. So tingin ko talaga, the best form of revenge is when you don't need revenge anymore. Parang okay ka na sa sarili mo, nalampasan mo na kung ano mang kasamaan ang ginawa nila sa'yo at pinagbutihan mo na lang ang sarili mo at mga desisyon mo. Parang hindi mo na sila kailangan lingunin. Parang yun na yung pinaka-best revenge.
Yeah.
Pero that takes a lot of self-control, maturity, di ba? Hindi yun madali.
Bigay niyo na lang yan sa lahat.
Wish them well.
Yes! Prayers.
Pero kay Janine, congratulations, ang galing-galing mo bilang kontrabida, nakakagigil ka.
Oh my God, salamat sa Diyos.
Ikaw ba nagigil ka din sa character mo, watching this kanina?
Hindi ko nararamdaman yun eh. Ako kasi yung tipo na kapag napapanood ko yung sarili ko, naisip ko, ano pa bang pwede kong nagawa para mas mapaganda pa yung eksena. I think a lot of us feel that way. Kaya hindi kami nanonood ng playback, yung ganon. Kasi kailangan mo din ibigay yung tiwala na kapag take na ni Direk, ibig sabihin, good na kila Direk. Yung parang hindi mo na pwedeng pag-obsesa na, shucks, dapat ginalingan ko pa or ganyan. Pero, ano nga ba yung tanong? Thank you! Thank you! Sana nga talaga manggigil ko. Ako mas nanggigil ako kay Tyrone eh. Kasi nakita ko yung mga panluloko niya. Tapos in the end, parang gusto ko nang kumampi kay Lavender. Parang litong-lito na ako sa nararamdaman ko. Pero sana nga po manggigil kayo. At salamat talaga kay Direk Manny at kay Direk Jojo and Sir Rondel and Miss Kylie sa walang sawang tulong at pagpapaliwanag sa akin bilang first time ko talaga gumanap ng parang ganitong klaseng role. So, salamat.
Grabe, dalawang beses mo na nabanggit yung,
Sumakat yung ulo ko sa mga
yung
sinabi.
pangloloko ha.
Ano?
Parang dalawang beses mo na nabanggit yung pangloloko na.
Sinabi ko.
Kay Tyrone.
Thank you, Bix.
Bix, may echo lang yan.
Okay,
Bix
Jericho.
to-
Jericho.
Okay.
Nanggigil ka ba sa character ni Iris? Kay Iris pala.
Gigil na gigil. Di ba hinihintay mo sagot?
Oo, para happy ako.
Ay, anything for you then.
Oh, nagbigay sa Echo na naman ha. Alam mo
Oo.
namang hindi yan madamo.
Yeah. No, galing. It's very, very, did you see how different, if you were to graph, alam mo yun, the characters, iba yung kulay namin, di ba? Kahit na, makikita mo talaga iba. Iba yung pagbato namin sa bawat character dito. Oo. So, enjoy namin talaga lahat. Yes, effective lahat ng actors. I mean, hopefully I was able to contribute that also. But yeah, thank you.
And congratulations.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you, Biggs. Maraming salamat.